What's up, guys? It's Pandora the Cryptobabe, Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there on this Thankful Thursday? I hope you're having an amazing day today. If you're here for the very first time, do me a favor, smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. All right, guys. If you haven't checked out my crypto projects, the link is in the description. Go check them out at www.coffeeandcoins.info. See what I got going on. All right, I'm here to do an update for Stable Swap and do a deposit as well. Okay, so we're gonna add some more crypto in the platform. But let's get into the update I want to bring to you guys that I saw in the Telegram group. Super exciting news. They got another promo. I love how they do this, okay? Randomly at different times. So we got another promo that is coming. So let's go over that first, all right? And something else I need to update you on. All right, let's go. All right. Before we get into that, let's see where we are. Right here, we're at 1,665 providers, and we're at 1,553,251 in liquidity. Awesome. I really like this platform. This is not the only one, but I like this one. This is one of the top 3 that we got going on, right? So anyway, that's where we are with the stats there. Now, this update right here is another update I need to let you guys know about. Fee adjustment. Okay, so below minimum deposit and withdrawal fees adjustment. Hello, stable swappers. I like that. Hello. We want to inform you that there have been adjustments made to our below minimum deposit and withdrawal fees. Please note that these changes are effective immediately. For inquiries, feel free to reach out to our admins. All right, so let's take a look here. If we click here, fee adjustment. Due to the increase in gas fees across Ethereum, Tron and BSC networks, we will be making slight adjustment to withdrawal and deposit fees for deposits below minimum amount only. For deposits below, pay attention, for deposits below minimum amount only. Okay, so what are they? Ethereum chain, 20 USDT USDC. Tron chain is going to be, so it's 20 for Ethereum. The Tron change fee is 3.5, so $3.50. Binance chain is 2.5 USDT USDC. These changes will take effect today, March 6th. So March 6th is when they went into effect. All right, so we're going to take a look at that so you can see what that looks like. All right, so that goes with the territory. Hey, sometimes, you know, fees, etc., whatever we need to do, you know, to make this happen and continue forward. All right, so we got that change now, and we're going to look at that because I'm going to make a crypto deposit, and you can see what they're talking about. Now they got a promo going. Hang on, let's take a look at that. Where's that promo? Let's see, hang on. All right, here's the promo, guys. It's going to start, let me click on it. It's going to start on March the 8th, 10:30 a.m. GMT plus 8 time. It's only for 24 hours. It ends on March 9th, 2024, 10:30 a.m. GMT plus 8. All right, this is for the International Women's Day. It's a promo, okay, in honor of International Women's Day. Let's celebrate our wives, mothers, sisters, and daughters. 24 hours only. Okay, 24 hours only. And check it out. It's going to be for 0.47% for that day. Okay, that's a 171.55% APR for this particular provision, and of course it's for the 300-day term. Okay, so 0.47 daily, guys, so pay attention. So this kicks in tomorrow. Now they're on Philippine time, right? So I'm gonna see if it's started in the system here, but it'll probably be let's see, what time is it? I have to see what time it is right now, but I'm going to continue to watch my back office to see. Once you see this in here, 0.47, go ahead and make your liquidity deposit. All right, so just want to give you a heads up on this promo. Only 24 hours, so if you're interested, take advantage. Okay, International Women's Day, March 8th. All right, so that's cool. Now let's take a look. Well, let me go back to those fees. Hold on. All right, so I'm going to log in here. Hold on a second. All right, so we're in my dashboard. Okay, let's see what we got here. Okay, 442. We've earned some rewards with the platform. All right, so this fee deal, let's take a look. Let's go to deposit, right? Let's go here. All right, so I'm gonna be doing Tron. So anyway, just want you to see what the fees are. So let's say, all right, let's look at Ethereum. So if you were making a deposit, you click deposit and you're gonna select Ethereum. It's telling you it's $250 minimum, right? So if you deposit less than that, see right here it says less than 250, it's going to be a $20 USDT fee, guys. Okay, so make sure you put the correct amount in here. Okay, so this is what they're saying here. Where did it go? Right here. Let's pull this over here. It's over here. All right. Ooh, did I lose it? All right. So $20, that's what they're saying, USDT. Okay, so if I wanted Tron, let's see. Yeah, you gotta put the right amount in there. If you wanted Tron, see, it's saying the deposit is $50 minimum. So if you deposit less than 50, if you put in there 48.49, less than 50. It says right here, less than 50, you're going to be charged $3.50. Okay, so you're not going to have the right amount in there. So pay attention to what you're doing. You're going to have these fees. If not, and you're still not going to have the amount you need in the platform. All right, what's the other one here? Binance. So just make sure you're paying attention here. You select Binance USDT. And it says it right here, so you'll know when you get ready to make your deposit. All right, so if you select BEP20, it's going to be 25 minimum. So if you deposit less than 25, right here it says less than 25, you're going to be charged $2.50. So make sure you're paying attention to what you're doing here. All right, then they also mention that there's withdrawal. Well, it's the same for withdrawal. Okay, so we're gonna have that as well. So we click withdrawal. I guess it's not telling me here. To probably tell me when you get ready to make your withdrawal. But same thing, excuse me, same thing will apply. It says minimum deposit and withdrawal fees adjustment, so it's going to be the same. Adjust to withdrawal and deposit, so same thing. All right, guys, so that's that. Goes with the territory, right? All right, is what it is. Now what we want to do is make us a deposit, and we're going to select Tron. Okay, all right, let's go back out. All right, so if you were getting ready to get started, right, you select deposit, There's 2 coins they accept, USDT and USDC, clearly. You see that? Okay, then here there's the different chains. So USDT has Tron chain, Ethereum chain, Binance chain. If you were to select USDC, you have Ethereum chain or Binance Smart Chain. Those are the 2 options there. All right, and then let's just look at that. If we were to do this one, click Ethereum chain. See, it's telling you it's $250 minimum. If you fall under $250, they're gonna charge you $15. Okay, let's look at this one. USDC Binance, minimum 25. They're gonna charge you $2. Okay, so pay attention to that. All right, so we're gonna select USDT Tron here. I'm gonna have to pause it because it's gonna, it's not instant. It's gonna take a minute. So let's do this. Let's go back to the dashboard so you guys can see from scratch where we are. So I'm actually showing you how to make a deposit at the same time. Let's clear this up. All right, see, it's not effective yet. See, it's still 0.35. Tomorrow that's going to change to 0.47. So it'll probably change sometime this evening, my time, because Philippines is ahead of us, I believe. So anyway, this is where you're going to see it, guys. So click Liquidity Pools when you log in, and this is going to be changed to 0.47 when this promo kicks in. All right, so let's go back. I want you to see. So this is what I have right now, 1736. So we're going to add to that. All right, so that we can up this 442 here. All right, and get a little more on, get this promo, take advantage of the promo. All right, so we click deposit. Okay, and then you select the coin. It's going to be USDT. It's going to be Tron. And let me copy this. Let me go and do this. I'm just going to pause it right here. All right, be back momentarily. All right, it actually moved much faster today for whatever reason. All right, so this is what we have here, but we're not going to purchase a liquidity pool yet. Okay, because I'm waiting for the bonus, the promo. See, 0.35. But I went ahead and added some crypto here. So once it's showing up here in the liquidity, then I'll click here, 300 days, and we'll add this. It'll be added to this as a total, but this amount will be at that 0.47. Let me take a look. Hang on. Yes, 0.47. I just want to double check it. 0.47. Okay, guys. All right. So make sure you stay tuned, stay plugged in, keep checking your back office, and you'll see that change from 0.35 to 0.47. All right. So we already have, let's see what we got. I believe 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We've got 7, so that's going to be number 8 that we've got in here, and we have made 2 withdrawals from the platform, and moving right along. So again, I'm going to be working with the platforms I have. Not going to be adding any new hypes. So we're going to work with what we have and continue to pour back into these. All right. So that's it. Let's take a look. I want to just shout out a few folks that I see here. Hang on a second. Let me get back here. All right. See, we've got someone that have liquidity in here of 650. We've got someone that added 755 in liquidity. Shout out to them and welcome. Okay. All right, guys. So there you have it. And as I mentioned to you guys on What's Up Wednesday, remember they're going to be doing away with the level 2 and level 3 on the affiliate side. What we will have is still the first level. You get paid on the first level. They're going to take level 2 and 3 off. So right now it's 5% on level 1, and then you'll still be earning 10% on the daily earnings from each of your new business partners. All right, guys, that's it. Shout out to Stable Swap. Let's keep going. This is awesome. All right, so stay tuned. Look out for this promo, guys. All right, so you can go check it out and do your own research. Only use risk capital in any of these platforms. Okay, they're all risky. Okay, so go to www.coffeeandcoins.info if you're interested in checking out Stable Swap, or if you're interested in getting started. All right, thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.